In this quick tutorial, we will see how to change the coordinate system of a shapefile. First, let's import a shapefile. We will import the US state boundary. Now let's zoom to layer. Let's check the coordinate system of this layer. Go to properties and then source. Expand spatial reference. Here you can see that this is the geographic coordinate system WGS 1984 and the code is 4326. Now let's see how to change the coordinate system of this layer. Now go to Analysis tab and then Tools. This will open the geoprocessing toolbox. Then go to the Data Management tool, expand this, and under the Data Management tool you will find Projections and Transformation. Expand this one, and finally click on Project. It will project spatial data from one coordinate system to another. Now in Input Dataset Feature class we will provide our layer, and here you can change the output dataset location and name. We will use the default one. And output coordinate system, we can select a coordinate system from here if we have any coordinate system in our layers, and if we want to select a new coordinate system that is not in our layers, then we need to select this one, and then let's search for web marketer. And under the project world we will find the web marketer coordinate system. Select this one and you will see this one is loaded, and now click OK. If you check on this, you will see more accurate data. Now click Run button. The projection is done. Let's close this dialog, and you will see if we turn off our main shape, we can see this one is the projected shape. Let's right click and see the properties and click on source, and then go to spatial reference. Under the spatial reference you will see the shapefile has been converted to web marketer projected coordinate system.